has been fabulous. The results are indicative of all the hard work, but it's been great. We've had all these vendors come in and enthusiastically set up and work with us, and our customers came and joined us. It's a great first start, and a great part of our business is communicating and staying close to our customers. And today was a great opportunity for us to enjoy all of that.
We've got some great people. They're very fair, they're aggressive, they help me get jobs, and it's fun working.
It's awesome, very informative, and it was just refreshing and some different products that were an improvement of other products that, because I've been in this industry since 1987.
Whenever I'm in a bind, I know I can call Jimmy or Bennett, and I'll have what I need that day. Pretty local, pretty close to my job, so it makes it easy to get what I need.